Welcome to Onsurity, your partner in smarter healthcare. How to check cashless hospitals on the Onsurity app. First, download and open the Onsurity app on your phone. Log in using your registered mobile number. You'll receive an OTP to confirm your login. On the home page, look for and tap on Search Cashless Hospitals. Select Member. This ensures we show the hospitals relevant to your policy. Tap on View Cashless Hospitals. Now, search your way. By location, PIN code, or even by the hospital's name. You'll see results in two formats: a list view for quick scrolling and a map view if you prefer a visual reference. Once you find your preferred hospital, just tap to get redirected to Google Maps or Apple Maps for instant navigation. Call the number displayed on the screen or just say hi on WhatsApp. You'll get quick options. Tap Cashless Hospitals. Then type your PIN code. You get a list of hospitals based on your PIN code. And that's it. For hospitalization, coverage, and claims related queries, contact us at gooddoctors@onsurity.com or scan the QR code displayed on the screen.